Fight.
Alright guys, here we are, another mod for the Mark 7 today. So if you have an R600 intake, you're going to notice that your coolant hose right here goes over the intake, and every single time you got to take off your intake, you got to like finagle it under this hose, and it's kind of annoying. So I got the Racingline Coolant Underhose, which goes under the intake, out of sight, and it makes taking your intake off so much easier. And it incorporates the check valve, which the OEM hose uses, which is very important. So definitely pick up a hose that has the check valve, and let's go ahead and get this out. Alright, let me show you guys what I'm talking about here with the lid. So it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but you get the idea. Take it out under the hose. Alright guys, so here's my filter. After about like 25,000 miles on it. It's pretty dirty. Some areas, but could definitely use a cleaning to get the brand new like flow back. Get it re-oiled and everything. Yeah, we'll do that in a separate video. Let's get back over here. We got the bottom tray out. Side, as you can see, here's the R600 intake. Awesome intake, guys. One of the best intakes for the Mark 7, hands down. Fully closed. And here's the bottom section. Got your secondary air filter right there. And the grommets just literally presses down onto these studs right here. So very easy to install. I noticed my fucking charge pipe is kind of chafing on the bottom of the box there, and that was because this bolt was loose. Get that snugged up here. All right, so now that we have access to the coolant hose here, we're just going to take off this clamp, take it off from there, and then the clamp for the rad. Where's that at? Hope it's not a big hose, man. Let's see, it's right there. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna take off this hose. Good to go. Okay, here we have the VWR hose. It's a part number for you guys. Looks just like that. Very simple, guys. Very straightforward. Just swap it out. And if you guys are wondering if you have to bleed the system, no, you do not. According to Racingline, you just do a simple swap, and if you lose a bit of coolant, you just have to top it off right there. That is it. All right, guys. Very straightforward. Take off your old hose. It's right there. A lot of coolant is going to actually come out from this side, from the radiator. So have some shop rags handy. Just slide it over there, and then you're going to slide this over there. Very simple. Almost nothing came out of here. Everything comes out from this one. And as you can see, the hose sits lower, so the box can sit on top of it, and your intake's going to sit nice and flush. Alright guys, we got our hose snugged up right there. And right there. Just gonna clean this up, put our box back in, we are good to go. And there we have it. So you can see the coolant hose goes under the intake. So much cleaner look. Easier to take off the lid, on and off. Super simple. See right there, it hasn't even Nice Racingline logo right there. Yeah, just cleans it up. Definitely got to give the engine bay a clean. Middle winter here, so a lot of salt and shit just gets under there, but it's looking good, man. It's looking good. All right, guys, so that wraps it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Really quick. Hope you guys all had a great New Year's. Let's make 2021 awesome, man. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.